my grandfather had a snot up his nose.
Hi.
See here. He's so bad.
Only say miss.
Hey guys, I'm not cool, bro. Hello, boys. And girls. I got the girlies.
Thomas.
Men nu skal I se nu her. Min grandfætter og mig, vi har så kraft med sov. Men nu,
Jeg tæsker ham.
og så ser jeg nu. Oh, my friends, and just give me. It's stupid. Kan du det? Ja! Og se hvor sjovt det er! Se hvor sjovt det er! Shorty! Det var lige. Ja! Say hello, friends. My friend. What? I'm just. Yeah. Bye, guys. See you later.